This fall, Applied Business Analytics held its first ever hackathon. And teams formed voluntarily. Students were able to join up with classmates or friends. And we even had a process by which students could look for partners for this. There were 3 different tasks. One of the tasks involved coming up with recommendations for using an online job search tool. Another one involved guidance regarding the bu.edu LinkedIn page. And then the third task involved taking a data set and doing analysis on it. And it was very open-ended. So students were given the data set and told, you can come up with visualizations, you can come up with summary statistics, you can come up with models, do whatever you want with it, but you've got to turn that back into a presentation that you deliver the next morning, and that presentation is constrained by time. So there's a real challenge there of culling out the most valuable, most important things. From the hackathon, one of the things students will get is the chance to creatively work with peers. And what's interesting is students in the program, they've all come from a different place. They have different professional backgrounds, and they've also not taken the same courses in exactly the same order. So by joining up with 4 or 5 classmates, students find that the skills that each of them has are a little bit different from the exact set of skills that each of their peers has, and use those skills for a common purpose. And that's one of the really cool things that we saw from this. So chance for students to be creative and to explore outside of the confines of an academic project or an academic task. Because something that students are going to face as they go into the world of recruiting and interviewing is they are going to be given these kinds of things. They're going to be given something like a business case and told, you need to read this, you need to review it, you need to analyze, and then present findings back in a really time-constrained way. Teams were amazing. Teams did a great job with it, and it was impressive to see all the creativity and all the ingenuity that went into that. So based on the results of the first hackathon, we're going to continue to make this a tradition within bu.edu ABA, and we plan to hold other hackathons in the future.